This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by K. Alexander. Country living with breathtaking views. Beautiful 3-bedroom 2-bath brick ranch-style home sitting on 4.5 acres with stunning 360-degree views of the mountains, rolling hills and pastureland. This home features a large family room, spacious kitchen with abundant cabinet space, dining area and granite countertops. New LVP flooring and fresh interior paint throughout. Large roomy bedrooms with plenty of closet space. Enjoy the outdoors from the partially covered deck, perfect for entertaining or taking in the scenery. Storm shelter included. Plenty of room to enjoy country living. For more information, review the details below or contact K. Alexander at 479-264